O daran, lalarga na tayo. Okay. Ayun. Okay, pabalik na tayo ng Ilongos.
Hello passengers, we would like to inform you that in a few minutes from now, we will be conducting ticket inspection. Thus, we advise all passengers to please take your respective accommodation for the ticket inspection. Thank you and enjoy your travel.
Yan, dito si Patrice, kita-kita natin yung Sisilex. Ayan, ayun o. Pag andar na yung barko, kita natin yung view sa tulay. Ang haba. Ayun o. Ang ganda. Oh.